Spanish phrases every beginner must know.
Hola, everyone. In this video, we will cover 22 essential Spanish phrases that every beginner should know. Learning these phrases will help you navigate daily conversations and build a solid foundation in the Spanish language. Let's get started. Phrase 1. Necesito ayuda. I need help. Phrase 2. No entiendo. I don't understand. Phrase 3. Habla inglés. Do you speak English? Our fourth category. Food and dining. Phrase 4. Quiero comer. I want to eat. Phrase 5. La cuenta, por favor. The bill, please. Phrase 6. ¿Qué recomiendas? What do you recommend? Phrase 7. Una mesa para dos, por favor. A table for two, please. Phrase 8. Me gustaría ordenar. I would like to order. Phrase 9. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. Phrase 10. Delicioso. Delicious. Phrase 11. Soy alérgico a. I am allergic to. Phrase 12. ¿Tienes menú en inglés? Do you have a menu in English? Phrase 13. ¿Cuál es la especialidad de la casa? What is the specialty of the house? Category 5. Shopping and bargaining. Phrase 14. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Phrase 15. ¿Tienes esto en otro color? Tala. Do you have this in another color, size? Phrase 16. Demasiado caro, too expensive. Phrase 17. ¿Me puedes hacer un descuento? Can you give me a discount? Phrase 18. Está bien, it's okay. Phrase 19. No gracias, no, thank you. Phrase 20. Me lo llevo, I'll take it. Phrase 21. ¿Puedo probarlo? Can I try it on? Phrase 22. ¿Aceptas tarjeta de crédito? Do you accept credit card? Phrase 23. ¿Dónde está el probador? Where is the fitting room? Phrase 24. Nos vemos, see you. These are just some of the essential Spanish phrases every beginner should know. Practice them regularly, and you'll feel more confident in your Spanish language skills. Hasta luego. See you in the next video.